Happy Wednesday, everyone. I just wanted to take a class that we did that was, I'd say about an hour. I'm going to condense it in about 2 minutes for you for some of the key takeaways that we had from there. I hear a lot of value propositions these days still being based on, well, I have the best rate, or I have the best service, or I have the best experience, or I have the best communication throughout the process. And all of those things should be a given in today's market. So for us at American Financial Network, specifically here with our team at MPH Home Loans, what the biggest thing that we're looking at is the value that we're providing. Yes, while all those other things are being put into the equation, competitive rates, great communication, close on time or early, there's other factors that need to be looked at as well. And I think it's critical that we're here for the client before they go under contract, during the contract and the process, right? And after the closing as well. So what do I mean? Up front, we're doing a comprehensive market analysis. The client understands why home prices are skyrocketing. With data, and we go through that with them. They also understand what's going on in the interest rate environment and why interest rates are rising. We do have our appraisal gap insurance or appraisal gap strategy in the event that an appraisal comes short. That's a whole nother class there. We've got our fully underwritten approvals, or our TBD process, if you will. So we can underwrite your loan fully with a to be determined property address. And then at that point, when we go to put in your offer, you're going to the top of the line because you're basically a cash offer. And if all else fails at that point, we do have a venture capital backed firm that will come in and buy the house cash for you, and then we will help you with the financing to go back and buy the house from them. And most importantly, it's the fifth thing on before, is having the right team. So whether that be the right realtor and lender who have the correct synergy with each other, and then the client advisory team, which is your realtor, your lender, your financial advisor or planner, your CPA, and your insurance agent, and a real estate attorney, depending on the state. Now, what happens during the process? That's more of the weekly updates, the milestone updates. So every time you move through a milestone in the process, then you're getting a text, you're getting an email, and then you're also getting, and our realtors, you're getting a report every Friday on top of the Tuesday updates that we do as well. And then after the closing, which I think is probably one of the coolest things, when we know right now clients are having such a hard time with maintaining their homes. So there was a statistic that came out that said 46% of homeowners regretted buying their home because they don't know how to maintain it, or they had no clue of how much maintenance was going to go into that. And I think that's the biggest thing that we're going through right now is, one, when the client closes, we have one of our services that will turn on, DTE consumers or whatever your local service providers are. You can shop for internet, whether it be versus AT&T or Xfinity. You can compare. We can set up a moving company to come out. So a lot of the hassles with moving are taken care of. And also, my favorite part is our home concierge service, which our inspector, after closing, will come do a 700-point data inspection. They'll check your air filters, the make and model of everything, and you almost have like a mini Carfax on your home, and it stays with the home. So when you go to sell your home, you can give it to the new owner and say, hey, here's everything that I did to the home, and also they get to keep that service as well, so you get top dollar when you sell. But that service, it eliminates so much pressure because you're going into not having to worry about, is something going wrong? What should I check? A lot of people don't know what to check for. And this can all be done through the web or through your phone. So I definitely went over, but I wanted to kind of narrow down that hour-long presentation into as short as possible. So I will be continuing to teach this to our realtors and our loan officer partner, or our loan officers as well, and referral partners. So I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Thank you.